bit of interestingness. Not much, though. Most excitement is getting hung up on a rock, I'm sure. It gets better, though. Right.
Looking at a bad form.
Let's try to make it exciting. Let's go down this middle ramp thing. Yeah, we just gotta, get coordinated with each other. Get used to how we're doing it. So far, so good. Yeah, we did the falls pretty good. We went straight on. I still say Big Smoky, that's a narrow shoot to try hitting to be perfect. Either bounce off the wall or get pushed up by that one
rock. So what do you think? Stay to the right of it and then go down into the left of it?
Yeah, stay right because obviously you don't want to go too right or you're going over that drop, which is, I don't even want to do it with a helmet. But you stay right because I think we'll be pushed to the left.
Push to the left,
and,
right.
And we might get pushed in the wall if we're too far left. So,
right.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm thinking, take it right and then just fuck it right or down in.
Yep.
I think you're right.
Yeah, I think as long as we're going, that's very true. We're planning, but there's not much we're gonna do other than hang on. And as long as we hit it true, I think we'll shoot it just like we did that Sullivan Falls.
Yeah, the way it looked, I thought stay to the right and then just take us right to the left, and it is what it is. Yeah. We ain't gonna change it.
If it's your turn to get wet, it's your turn to get wet. Just don't get stoned on the rocks. Yep, we witnessed people getting their heads knocked going over that. Another boy drowned too, wasn't he? But I think he was just swimming. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Who's ready? Who's ready? I just wondered. My question to you is who's ready? Because I'm not. That's the answer. Hold on. Straps, okay, good. Here. Oh, did you clean out the boat for us? Thanks, man. Did you clean out the boat? Alright, good. Okay. Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Gonna just miss that rock. That'd be a bad start. Yeah, muscle it. There we go. Muscle it. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Woo! Yeah, keeping the nose true. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're coming. We're coming to get you. Woo! That was a good ride, boys. For the big show. Hey, bear. Oh. Yep. Yeah, let's get up there. Let's get up there. Let's get up there. I'll take this off. Stop right on the rock. Okay. Well, this is why we have waterproof cases, though.
Always walk.
Good, good. Don't go sideways. There you go. You're riding it. Looking good. Looking good, guys.
Big rock.
Don't bump into the wall, and you'll be fine. Don't bump into the wall, and you'll be fine. Oh, they got to turn around. They're good. They're fine.
They're fine.
Nice job.